Have you ever uploaded a great YouTube video and still wondered, why didn't it reach anyone? Well, YouTube just launched a new update that could finally change that for small creators, and it's called Hype. So what's this Hype thing all about? It's a brand new button sitting right under the like button. But here's the twist. Only small and mid-sized creators can benefit from it. If your channel has between 500 to 500,000 subscribers and is part of the YouTube Partner Program, your new videos can now be hyped. Each viewer gets just 3 free hypes per week to give their favorite creators. When someone hypes your video, it earns hype points. The more hype points your video collects, the higher it climbs on something called the YouTube Hype Leaderboard, visible to everyone under the Explore tab. And here's the coolest part. YouTube gives a bonus multiplier to smaller creators. That means if you have fewer subscribers, your hype points count extra, making it possible for small creators to compete head-to-head with big channels. Basically, this update flips the algorithm game. Now fans decide which creators deserve to go viral. So here's my question for you. If you had only 3 hypes for the week, which creators would you use them on? Drop your answers in the comments. I'll give a heart to the best ones. And if you love science and want India to lead the future, hit hype button and subscribe to OEO SciX24 right now.